In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Sheet Trigger in n8n. We're going to create a workflow that reacts the moment a new row is added to a Google Sheet. This is perfect for things like capturing form submissions, logging leads, or syncing data as soon as it lands in your spreadsheet. First, open your n8n instance and head to the Workflows area. This is your hub for building and organizing automations. If you're part of a team workspace, make sure you have permission to create and edit workflows so everything saves correctly. Next, create a new workflow. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, especially if you plan to build more automations. You'll land on a blank canvas where we can start adding nodes. Add your first node. This opens the node picker, which lists all the apps and triggers you can use. Search for Google Sheets and select it. We're using it as a trigger, so we'll configure it to watch for new data rather than perform an action. Choose the operation called onRowAdded. This tells n8n to fire the workflow whenever a new row appears in your selected sheet. It's ideal for append-only data, like entries coming from forms or integrations that add lines to the bottom of a sheet. Before n8n can access your spreadsheets, connect your Google account. Click the option to connect to Google and sign in. Approve the permissions so n8n can read your spreadsheets. If you don't see the login window, check your browser's pop-up blocker. Also, be sure you're using the same Google account that owns or has edit access to the sheet you want to monitor. With the account connected, select the specific document and then the Sheet tab you want to watch. Pick the exact worksheet name so n8n knows where to look. If the dropdown doesn't show your file right away, give it a moment to sync or use the search field. Now click Execute. This runs a test so you can confirm the trigger is set up correctly. You should see sample data or a confirmation that the trigger is listening for new rows. If the preview is empty, verify that the sheet has a header row and that new data will be added as full rows beneath it. Consistent column names help n8n map fields cleanly. That's it. You've set up a Google Sheets trigger in n8n that activates on new rows. From here, you can continue building your workflow by adding whatever actions you need, sending notifications, creating records, or transforming data confident that your trigger is ready to catch new entries as they arrive.